So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Terry. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I wanted to do like a half bantu knot hairstyle, so with crochet braids of course. So let's get into that. So my hair is already cleansed and moisturized, so we're just going to go into like style. To achieve my style, I will be using this hair. So this is the Sensational Jamaican Bounce. It is 26 inches long and I got it in the color number 1, so it's like jet black. And it is a 3 times pack, so that means that it has 3 bundles in here. I'm just going to use this towards the back of my hair, so let me see what I can come up with. So I took down my twist and I'm just going to go ahead and section my hair out. I'm going to part my hair from ear to ear. Alright, so I'm just gonna take this out of the way for now. Okay, so I want this hairstyle to be as easy as possible and I want to achieve this hairstyle in as less time as possible. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to do a braidless crochet. So I'm just gonna like put my hair together in the back in a low ponytail and I'm gonna crochet on top of that. Okay, so for the front, I'm gonna see if I have enough hair out. I'm gonna go ahead and part my front ear like diagonal. Alright, so just to ensure that I have enough hair, I just like pre-section the front of my hair into 3 parts. So I'll have 3 bantu knots on the top. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and work on the back portion. It's kind of hard to like do my hair from the back and I want to ensure that I will be in focus. So you're just doing a basic low ponytail. So I have it in this low ponytail here. So I hope you guys saw that I just put my hair into like a little bun. So I'm just going to secure it with a little rubber band. I'm just going to put that at the base. So with doing my hair like this, it's going to be like tension free and so on. As you guys can see, I did not apply any gel to my hair either and so on. So I'm going to go in with this hair now. As usual, it comes with the little tag, the little instruction tag. This is what the hair looks like in the pack. So this is one of the bundles, guys. So each of these bundles come with 15 pieces of hair. So this is what the hair looks like out of the package. This is 1 piece, but I'm gonna go ahead and split it like in 2 pieces. And it's kind of like frizzed up, but I'm gonna like twist it around to get back the curls. I'm just gonna turn around and show you guys how I'm going to install this. So this is just 1 bundle in. I have 2 bundles left, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill in the parts that are not filled in yet. So since I have 2 bundles left, at this point I'm not gonna split the hair. I'm just gonna install it as is. 10. So I have 11 pieces left back out of the 1 pack of hair, which had 3 bundles of 15. I hope you guys understand that. So the hair is looking kind of big in the back here. I'm just going to turn around to show you guys how the back is looking. I'm going to go ahead and work on these sections in the front. I'm going in with the Aunt Jackie's hair gel. Alright, so I changed my mind. I'm going to use the Nitro Canada hair wax. And I hope that it does not get white on me because the gel is kind of damp, but I want my hair to be sleek, so I'm going to take one of the Jamaican bounce hair and attach it to my hair. And start twisting. So now I have this twist. I'm just gonna wrap that around itself to create my bantu knot. Alright, so now I'm just gonna do that on these two parts here. Finish putting in my bantu knot. The look is so cute. And now I'm just going to go ahead and work on my edges. I applied the same edge control to my edges, and I'm just going to go with my edge brush and just smooth it the way that I want. Alright, so as usual, to tame my unruly edges, guys, I'm going with my kerchief. I'm gonna tie my hair down to hold my edges into place. Alright, so for the back portion, I'm just gonna like trim it up just a little bit, not too much. Alright, so now that my hair is like clipped up and laying down, I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and then I'll be back with the reveals.
These skies have a different light, why noise that keeps me up at night.